guys, this is Pearl Hung, and today pag-uusapan natin two of the most wonderful products na empowered consumerism. So we have here mga pampagwapa, pampabeauty, and pampaflawless ng skin natin. And I know maraming interested with this one. So we have here, tinatawag nating White Light, and the other product is Perfect White. So we'll first discuss about the Perfect White. So as you can see it inside, it's a tablet. This is all naturals as well. So ano yung Perfect White? It has L-cysteine peptide. What's L-cysteine peptide? It's an amino acid component in which pag ininom mo tong product na to, automatically papagandahin niya yung secretion ng body natin ng glutathione. Kasi alam mo ba, ang gluta is really found inside your body. It's just that sometimes may mga tao na mas maraming secretion ng melanin nila or it causes their skin to be brown. And may mga iba na maganda yung secretion ng glutathione. That's why it makes our skin lighter. Alright? So, ang mangyayari dito is once na ininom mo to, papalakasin pa yung secretion of glutathione and its amino acids. What's amino acids? You know that every day we need amino acids in our body. So, naturally, meron talagang pinoproduce yung body natin. And also, we can get it from the food that we eat. And alam nyo ba, when you reach the age of 30, nagsistop na mag-produce ng natural amino acids yung body natin. That's why we need to eat more food na high in amino acids. And amino acids are building blocks of protein. When you reach the age of 30, di ba hindi na siya nagpo-produce nun? What's happening is, doon nagsastart na magsag yung skin. Di ba may mga babae nga nasabi nila, dati, nandito siya, ngayon nandito na siya. May mga ganun nangyayari. It's because they are lacking of amino acids. May iba naman, nagsastart na yung mga lines mag-show. Di ba nagkaka-wrinkle sila, yung mga arms nila, nagsasag, and it's because of lack of the component ng amino acids which you can find here sa Perfect White. That's why, kung alam mo na you're at the age of 30, I have a suggestion for you na kailangan mo na talagang mag-take ng Perfect White as well as papagandahin niya pa yung body mo because of maraming glutathione ang masasecrete. Alright? So, this is really nice. Magkakaroon ka ng parang natural botox effect. If I drink this at night, kinabukasan, ang ganda ng gising mo. Parang banat na banat ka and sobrang rosy ng cheeks mo. And this is the secret para maging fresh looking ka everyday. Ayan. And the other product naman na gusto ko i-share sa inyo is the White Light. This is also for your glutathione as well in your body. Always remember, glutathione can be found inside the body, not outside. Kaya yung mga sabon-sabon na yan na may glutathione, hindi to totoo na magkakaroon ka ng glutathione kasi outside yun eh, di ba? Alam niyo ba, ang glutathione din, one trivia, glutathione, hindi talaga to pampaputi. Ang pampaputi, naging side effect niya lang. But glutathione is really a detoxifier sa katawan ng tao. Ito ay liver detoxifier. And when you detoxify your liver, naging malinis siya, automatically nagiging clear yung skin natin. So what's happening with this? As you can see, White Light, ayan, makikita nyo na it's L-glutathione spray. The Perfect White is also L-cysteine peptide. When we say L, at may mga L yung mga nandito, it means na ito yung component na sobrang dali niyang makaka-penetrate sa body natin. Kaya nagte-take effect agad siya. So, ayan, nakikita niyo yung White Light. Sobrang ganda niya. Very nice. And in one White Light na ganito, this glutathione consists of 2,500 milligrams of L-glutathione and 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Kasi glutathione works well with vitamin C. So, as you can see, ito na siya. This is sublingual spray. This is the world's first sublingual spray. Ibig sabihin, sa buong mundo, first siya. Bakit sublingual? Ano yung pagkaka-importansya ng sublingual? Alam niyo ba yung pag may naka-high blood, di ba nagkakatapres sila, calci block, at nilalagay yun sa ilalim ng dila? Why? Maraming capillaries or veins under your tongue. At pag dyan mo nilagay yun, automatically ma-absorb siya ng katawan mo. Kaya ang mangyayari sa'yo, yung gluta nilagay mo doon, ma-absorb siya ng katawan mo and evenly madidistribute sa body. Hindi siya katulad ng yung mga pinapahid na mga ching-chang-chong, mga ganyan. Pag pinahid mong ganyan, di ba, ang nagiging kulay, ito maputi, yung leeg maitim. Pag tinaas pa yung kilikili, maitim. Tricolor na yung nangyayari sa tao. What's good with this? Kasi pantay-pantay siya. So, yan. May papakita ko sa inyong demo. Alam niyo ba na our body is 80% water. So, for example, this is your body. Darating ang time na since we we are not so, healthy na sa panahon ngayon, mahilig tayo sa mga instant. So this represents as the toxins na nangyari sa body natin. May mga instant noodles, instant coffee, instant na mga canned goods, mga ganyan. And maraming pollution na nangyayari sa paligid natin. Stress, yung mga pollutants sa body natin. So, ang nangyayari, take a look at this one. What's happening with white light? Since it's L-glutathione with vitamin C, this white light will detoxify your body. So, lalagay natin to. Alright. So, yan. Nilagay natin yung white light and look at what will happen to your body. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Sobrang naging crystal clear niya. And ganun kabilis mag-detoxify ng body ang white light kahit gaano pa karaming toxins ang ilagay sa body. See? It's all white na. So kung alam mo that if you're drinking, if you're eating canned goods, if you're having instant noodles, if you're smoking, please take care of your body and use white light. This will really help you, not just pampagwapa or pampaganda ng skin mo, but also for your body, for you to be healthy. That's why us, we always use this one. Kaya minsan, kahit wala ng makeup, aurang-aura pa din. Kaya I'm excited for you to use this product and share it to people. So once again, this is the white light. This is the perfect white. And always remember, this gives you glutathione. This triggers you glutathione. And pag pinagsama mo silang dalawa, very nice ang magiging result. Kaya I'm excited for you to use these products. And what's good, kasi tayo lang ang exclusive distributor nito at Empowered Consumerism.